In the last video you learned how to download the software. Now we will demonstrate how to install it. There are two prerequisites which have to be fulfilled. A. You need admin rights for the PC where the software should be installed, and B. You need a license key for the FOS Onboard Software Kit. After downloading, the FOS Onboard Software Kit and the SmartLog Desktop software should be now in your download folder, ideally together with the FOS Onboard Software license key. If the license key is not available, please contact our technical support team. You can reach it via email or by phone. Contact data can be found in the Wärtsilä Voyage technical documentation. Please copy the files into a designated folder on your C main drive, for example, FOS software products. First, you have to install the FOS Onboard Software Kit, which is the launching platform for all software modules. In case the FOS Onboard Software Kit, which is also called Product Deployment Manager, is already installed, you can immediately jump to the installation procedure for SmartLog Desktop. Double-click on the FOS Onboard .exe file, which will open the installation wizard. You may now add a station description or start the installation immediately by clicking on the Install button. The installation itself will only take a few minutes. When the software is installed successfully, it is necessary to input the license key and activate it. Click on the button with the three dots and open the folder with the license key. Select the license file and click on the Activate License button. As soon as the activation is completed, click on the Finish and Run PDM button to start the Product Deployment Manager. Now, you can continue with the installation of the SmartLog Desktop software. Click on the Load from Disk button and select the SmartLog Desktop zip file in your FOS Software Products folder. Click on the Open button and the software will be unzipped and prepared for installation. Confirm the process by clicking on the OK button when unzipping and registration is completed. In the left menu bar, the availability of new software is indicated. Select available software by a mouse click and click afterwards the Install Software button on the right. And confirm the next two pop-up windows with the OK button. Installation will start immediately. When the installation is completed, confirm it by clicking on the OK button. All software modules are ready now. Before finishing the video, a few words about the Product Deployment Manager or PDM. By default, you will get an overview about all installed software modules. The left menu will inform you in addition about available updates. PDM is checking for updates whenever it is online. Software available for installation, a function you are already familiar with. And finally, details about your software license. The next video will show you how to get started with SmartLog Desktop.